It's not my norm because it's what's been what the coaching staff and the medical staff has put on. I'm built, fit, conditioned for whatever game consists of. And tonight it consists of me playing big minutes. The guys, a lot of our guys had heavy days tonight, and it was up to me to get through it. To me, it's always mind over matter, and I just had to push through it as well. Last couple of years, it's the best I felt, and I told you guys that. I put a lot of work into my body, into my craft. I've rearranged a little bit, my diet and things of that nature, and it's worked to my benefit. And for me to have back-to-back nights like this after coming off a long road trip, it just shows that everything is working in the right direction, and I just got to continue to put the work in. I give everything to the game, into my body, into my craft, and that's just a byproduct of it. I don't know. I mean, for me, I was in a good groove tonight, even from the beginning. I think I started the game 8 for 9, I believe. Missed the 3 before the half, so I was in a good groove. I just got to stay laser sharp with my craft, and when I'm going out on the court, just reading and reacting. And it was one of those nights where even if guys were feeling great, I feel great, the whole game, and I don't know why I was the only one that was feeling that great, but hey, it happens that way sometimes.